Hello dear students, welcomes to e-learning class of DAV Moyle Public School Standard 8 Mathematics. I am your mathematics teacher Varun Chauhan and today I will teach you polynomials. So students, first of all we learn about polynomial. What is polynomial? So in short, polynomial means many terms, the expression which consists of many terms. Okay, so here poly means many and nomial means terms. So a polynomial is an expression which composed by using variables, constant, exponent. When we join these variables, constant and exponent with the basic operational symbol, we form a polynomial. So based on the number of terms, we classified it into three or more than that categories like monomial, binomial, trinomial, or we can say polynomial. So the expression which consists only one term called as monomial. The expression which consists two terms with basic operational symbol like addition, subtraction called as binomial, and the expression which composed of with three terms called as trinomial. So these are the examples of monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now students, let's see one example which we write in its notation form, is will notate the polynomial. So here is the example x square minus 5x plus 11, which we have to write in the form of p of x, and that p of x is notation of polynomial. Students, look at the given examples of monomial, binomial and trinomial. In first example, there are only one and only one terms in each expression like 5x, 3 is a constant polynomial, means if a term having only numerical value other than the variable, so that term we can say it is a constant polynomial. Again 6a, then minus 3xy, these are the examples of monomial. After that, look at second one. A binomial is a polynomial expression which contains two terms. So here are examples of binomial: minus 5x plus 3, 6a raised to the power 4 plus 17x, xy square plus xy. So these are the examples of binomial. And at last, the expression which consists three terms called as trinomial. So here are examples: 8a raised to the power 4 plus 2x plus 7. Similarly, 4x square plus 9x plus 7. So this is the example of trinomial. Now student, let's see another term related with polynomial, and that is degree. So what is meant by degree of polynomial? So the expression having highest power, means the highest exponent, that is called the degree of polynomial. For example, in the given table, here are many examples of polynomial. So in this example, let's see constant or zero polynomial, means the example is 6 and 6 raised to the power nothing, that is means 1. So a constant polynomial having degree 1 called as linear polynomial, or the polynomial having 0 degree called as zero polynomial. Okay, then another example is quadratic, the expression where the highest power of variable is 2 called as quadratic polynomial. Similarly, with the highest power is 3, so called its cubic polynomial. Similarly, the expression having the highest degree, means highest power is 4, we called it biquadratic polynomial. So students, in your previous classes you have already learned basic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication on algebraic expression. So here we'll learn another operation, that is division, and on polynomials. So we'll learn some division steps about division of polynomial. So first of all, we have to arrange the given polynomial in descending order. Then after, check its highest power and divide it according to its highest power by its divisor. Now perform the same step till your remainder become less than its divisor. Now note the final answer as a quotient, including remainder will be in the fractional form. So this is the steps which we have to follow for performing division of polynomials. Students, here are some examples of division of monomial. By monomial means the expression which consists only one term. So here example number first, that is 6x cubed y square z square by 3x square yz. So we have to divide it by using exponential law, that is a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power m. So here when we divide any number with same base, so we have to follow the exponential law and we have to subtract their powers. So here when we divide the given monomials, we get here 2xyz. Similarly, there is another example, that is 15m square n cube by 5m square n square. So when we divide it, we get here 3n after cancellation the variables. Dear students, based on today's topic, here are some questions for your practice. So note down today's assignment and solve it. Students, I hope you understand today's topic. We'll meet with another interesting video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.